Want to control how sharp or space saving your screen recordings are on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? You can easily change the video quality before recording your screen. To do so, open setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Next, tap screenshot and screen recordings. Under screen recording section, tap video quality. Now choose your preferred video quality. You can choose high, which is best for crisp, clear recordings, ideal if you plan to share on social media or watch on larger screen. Medium, to get a balance between quality and file size, good for casual sharing. Or low, to save storage space, suitable for simple tutorials or quick references. As the example, we will select medium, so we can get a good balance without using too much storage. Once set, this will be the default quality whenever you record your screen. No need to change it every time. Thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.